Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-39D water tank bottom cover. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-39D water tank bottom cover for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. First off, let's open up template MMGS. Okay, we're actually not going to save that one there. We're actually going to open up one we've done previously. That one. There we go. We want that one there. It's going to be pretty much the same, but it won't have a hole there, so we might be able to get rid of that. So let's see now. Keep that one. Keep that one. What's this one? Okay, delete that one. Yep. Delete that one. Yep. What's it cut there? Okay, keep that one. But we want to get rid of, open up, get rid of that hole, yes. Exit our sketch. That one's probably going to move. Let's open up this sketch. Delete this whole square here after all the hassle we had with it. Come on, clear her out. Oh, wrong one. Yep. There we go. Yeah, that one. That way we got all the holes already done. We don't need to redo the holes. So we got this one here. Let's do that one now. Which is that one. Edit. Let's go. We want actually to be 76. So that's going to be 76 across. And that's going to be, let's get rid of that dimension. Oh, if we can get rid of it. Thank you. Get rid of that one. And that's going to be from, it's 22, same side. Yeah, same side hole. So from there to there, it's going to be 89. That's it. Done. Exit. And that's that piece done. Okay. How thick is that? Well, this one says 2mm thick. Okay, we'll do a 2. I know one said 3 earlier. So. Undo, because I saved over the file. Made the biggest mistake. We go right back to the beginning. Okay, everything's undone. Save. Now let's resave the file. Something you should always do straight off. So 1-39D water tank bottom cover. Okay, so now let's can't do, okay, that's fine. So we're in D now. Okay, so we just go through, delete all the stuff again. Delete that one. Yep. Delete that one. Yep. Don't delete that one, but we'll go in and delete this circle. Yes. Exit out. That sketch there, go in and edit. Delete the whole thing. There we go. That's easier. Delete that one. Yes, we do. And delete that one. There we go. That was easier. I guess found an easier way to delete. Okay, so now back into this one, edit. We want to delete that one there. This is going to be 76. And from this circle to that edge is going to be, what was it? 89. And done. And exit. And save. We definitely do. So if you ever reload a file, you're going to use different, rename it straight away. That's the amount of times I've done that. And it's bit me on the butt. Okay, so that's good, that's good, that's good. Now, that's done. That piece is done. That's all we need to do. So thank you for watching. That is part 1-39D, water tank bomb cover done. So if you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Got any comments, suggestions, whatnot, leave them below. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.